Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. Today I will be sharing with you a delicious patriotic treat that I made for my family for the 4th of July. First off, grab about 2 tablespoons of butter and grease your favorite pan. You can use a 9x13, a sheet pan, 9x9, 8x8, it's up to you. Next, you will melt a half of a stick of butter into a large pot. Once that butter is nice and melty, go ahead and add a 10-ounce bag of mini marshmallows and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Melt your mini marshmallows on a low heat until well combined. Now that we have some delicious melty marshmallows, add 6 cups of Rice Krispies to your pot and give that a really good stir. Next, you're going to add about a half of a cup of red and blue mini M&Ms. This is what gives it that patriotic look. Now mix that up well. Grab the pan that you buttered beforehand and place that mixture all over the top of that. Here I have some cooking spray that I did spray my hands with so I could flatten out the Rice Krispies treats accordingly. You can use wax paper to do this if you are not comfortable with having oil all over your hands. Now y'all can see that I went ahead and added some wax paper to the top, and I did make sure that that wax paper was inside all those grooves. Now flip over your pan and then cut your Rice Krispies treats to your specifications. I did mine a little bit on the smaller side, but like I said, you can do it the way you want because these are your Rice Krispies treats. Grab yourself one of those white chocolate bars that you find in the baking area and 1 teaspoon of butter. Melt that up, then drizzle all over the top. Enjoy, y'all!